Hello, I'm Ash with Cool Kids Knit, and today I will be showing you how to make increases in your knitting piece using the make one right and the make one left technique, and I will be showing you how to decrease your stitches as well using the knit two together technique. For this demonstration, I will be using the Sierra Yarns Andean Solid, and I already have a few rows of stockinette stitch just to show you the difference that the increases show and the decreases as well. There's different ways of doing increases in knitting, but the most common, in my opinion, is the make one right and the make one left increases. And not only do these stitches make increases, but they also do it in a way where they lean to the right or lean to the left. So first I'm going to show you how to do a make one right, and then on this side I will do a make one left. So the sides here will start to go outwards as it increases. So first I'm just going to knit a regular stitch. Now for the increases, you're going to be working in this middle bar right here. This is the bar you'll be picking up to make the increase. So for the make one right, we're going to take our left needle and insert through the back, picking up that bar piece in the middle. Now once you have that bar sitting on your left needle, we're going to take our right needle and insert through the front, just like that, and knitting. Just like that. So we have one increased stitch through that bar. Now once I'm done, I'll turn my work and I'll show you again. Now I'm going to knit to the end so I can show you what a make one left looks like. Okay, so I have one stitch remaining and I'm going to work the make one left in that same bar we used for the make one right. Instead of grabbing it through the back, for the make one left, I'm going to grab it through the front. So I'm going to pick it up through the front. And then with my right needle, I'm going to knit through the back. So I'm going to take my needle and put it through the back here, picking up the loop through the back, and I'm going to knit it. And then knit that last stitch too. So now I have two stitches increased. And you can kind of see that loop, how it's leaning to the left, and this one goes to the right. Now I'm going to purl this side and then be back on the right side to show you it one more time. So I'll show you one more time a make one right and a make one left. So again, for a make one right, I'm going to knit the first stitch, and now I'm going to find that bar. There it is, right there. And I'm going to take my left needle and insert through the back, picking up that bar through the back, just like that. Now with my right needle, I'm going to pick up this loop from the front. It can be a little sticky sometimes. There we go, and knit it. So there was another make one right. I'm going to knit until I have one stitch remaining on my needle. Okay, I have one stitch remaining on my left needle, and I'm looking for that bar. So this is the bar I'll be working through. With my left needle, I'm going to pick up that bar through the front this time, like that. And then with my right needle, I'm going to insert it through the back, just like that. I'm going to knit. And now we have another increase, and there we go. You can see the increases starting to grow. Now I'm going to purl these stitches, and then I'm going to show you how to decrease. Okay, we are back on the right side, and I'm going to show you how to knit two together now to decrease. So I'm going to knit the first stitch. It's quite simple. All you're going to do is knit, but instead of knitting one, you're going to knit two. So you're going to insert your needle into both stitches and knit them. And it's really that easy. That's why it's called a knit two together. You can kind of see the two stitches there combined. I'll do it again here at the end. Okay, now this time I left 3 stitches remaining because these two are the ones that will be knit together. So same thing as if I'm knitting a regular stitch, I'm just knitting 2 together. So I'm going to insert my needle into the second one, then the first one, and I'm going to make sure I've got both loops on my needle and knit them together. And it's that simple. Now I have decreased 2 stitches on this row, and you can kind of tell the difference there. There's one, and there's the other one. You can see those 2 stitches along the way. And then when you turn your work to purl, all you do is purl, and it just looks like 1 stitch there. So that is how you do the make 1 right, make 1 left increases, and also the knit 2 together decreases. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any other questions or concerns, go ahead and leave them down below. Otherwise, happy knitting.